Are you about to purchase a brand new stand mixer, but are you still torn between the different models? Then I'll be happy to help you out in this video. My name is Jimmy, and I'm going to show you exactly how the Pierre SM5000, SM7000, and SM9000 differ, and what they have in common, so that you can easily choose which model fits best in your kitchen. The power determines how smoothly a mixer goes through dough, and how long you can work without stopping. The SM5000 and the SM7000 are both good machines for making dough. They're both powerful, but the more often you bake, the higher up in the series you'll want to go. They feel nice to use, but if you want to work for a long time, you're better off with the SM9000 because its motor doesn't heat up as quickly. The SM9000 has the most power of the three, and this makes it easiest to get through heavy dough for bread and pizza, for example. It kneads the dough effortlessly and gives you the fastest results. Because the motor stays cool and doesn't overheat quickly, you can easily make several batches in a row. And that's very useful if you bake often. Accessories determine what you can do with one appliance. The SM9000 comes with the most accessories. Besides the mixing bowl, splash guard, flexi beater, whisk, K-beater, dough hook, and mixing hook, you also get attachments for blending, grating, and grinding. With those you mix, knead, and whisk, but you also make minced meat, sauce, or grated vegetables, for example. So you need fewer separate appliances and can work faster. The SM7000 and the SM5000 come with the same basics, but without the blender, grater, or meat grinder attachments. So they're mainly equipped for baking and lack those extra functions. There's also a difference in how the different models are controlled. The SM7000 is the only one with a touchscreen, which lets you quickly choose the right setting or speed. The screen reacts instantly and clearly shows what's active. This is useful if you often switch between kneading, whisking, and mixing and like to keep an overview. The SM9000 and the SM5000 have a dial to adjust the speed step by step. That feels simple and reliable and works very nicely. But if you want a bit more overview or if you switch often, the SM7000's touchscreen is recommended. Soft start means the motor starts up slowly, so ingredients don't fly out of the bowl. And you know what the best part is? All three mixers have this function. This keeps your countertop nice and clean. And this is especially useful with ingredients like flour. There are several options, but if you know what to look for, the choice becomes much easier. Whether you're making a small cake or dough for a homemade pizza, there's always a Pierre stand mixer for you. I hope this video helped you decide which mixer fits best in your kitchen. Thanks for watching and happy baking.